Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore CocoaPods dependencies for iOS projects step by step clearly. To restore CocoaPods dependencies for your iOS project, start by opening your terminal. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Type cd followed by the path to your project folder. Once you are in the project directory, check for the presence of the pod file. You can do this by running the ls command. If the pod file is present, you are ready to proceed. Next, run the command pod install. This command will download and install the dependencies listed in your pod file. If you have not updated your pods in a while, you may want to run pod update instead. This will update all installed pods to their latest versions compatible with your pod file. After the installation or update is complete, open the newly created .workspace file. Use this workspace file to open your project in Xcode. Your CocoaPods dependency should now be restored and ready for use in your project. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, build your project in Xcode. Check for any errors or warnings related to your dependencies. If any issues arise, refer to the detailed output in the terminal. Make any necessary adjustments in your pod file, if required. Once satisfied, you're ready to continue development on your iOS project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.